Today we're going to remove and replace the headlight on this 2019 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler. I'm going to be putting an LED off-brand Daymaker headlight in it. I went for a ride the other day and the headlight wouldn't turn on. Pulled up behind a vehicle and I seen my little running lights were on, but the actual headlight itself wasn't on. So I pulled over, tapped on it a little bit, and it finally turned on. And of course, right now it looks like it's going to turn on, but it's very dim. You can't really tell on the camera here, but it's very dim. So we're just going to go ahead and remove and replace it. So removing this headlight should be pretty easy. I'm going to put my camera down here. There we go. Sorry about the lighting. I had to shut the garage door. You get a Phillips head here. This takes off the beauty ring. And I'm doing this left-handed. I'm not left-handed. You know, one of the lights turned off here in the garage. I've never removed this. There we go. Set it to the side. Now what we have on here is just a handful of little Phillips heads to take out. And then this light bulb should just pull right out. Let's set this here. I don't know if these have to come all the way out. Looks like they may. Yeah, they'll have to come all the way out. Now my LED light bulb has not made it in yet. It's coming in the mail today. So we'll come back out here in a little while after this is removed and put the other one in. And then do a test on it. All right, let me let this hang here a little bit. And you can see when you get the light bulb out, get your three wires here, and just a standard plug. Nothing in there. Pretty basic. All right, so we'll go ahead and get that light bulb disconnected. Pulls right off. And get the three prongs on there. Right, so I'm going to save this because I may be able to use it in the future if something happens. That right there is just removing the factory one. Pretty simple. Basically 4 screws and 1 connector. So when the other bulb comes in later today, we'll come back out here and we'll install it. All right, so my light showed up. Do an unboxing on it real quick. Yes, this knife is dull. Not a whole lot of packing in here. This is for a wireless speaker that I ordered. May do an unboxing on it later. That's a plain box. Nothing on the box at all here. Except made in China. So, see what we got. We got the instructions here. The Z-offroad halo LED lamps. All right, hopefully it's got all the connectors that we're going to need. Well, it doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty good. See if I can get this out. Oh yeah. Well, it's pretty hefty. And it's got the 3 screws on here. Guess it'll go like that. Alright. Not too bad. Set this to the side here. The other connectors on here. Looks like this will, oh no, it won't be this one. Won't be that one. Looks like it's just going to be the standard one that's on there. Alright. Now we'll have to fit it on there a little bit first to see if I do need this one plate that's on here. I'm not knowing if I'm going, I don't think I'm going to need it. Because man, it's on there, it's awful thick. So yeah, I bet I gotta take that one off. What we'll do here first is we'll go ahead and plug this in. Okay, it's plugged in. It's long enough that it'll sit right here. All right. Now they should have a top on here. Just has some detents here that this will line up in. Like that right there. All right. Kind of hard to do with this clear film on here still, but I do not want to take that off there. And so these line up. There we go. I know I turned that a little bit. Get one of them on there. Let's do this satisfying part. Look at that. All right, now I don't have the beauty ring on the outside of it, but kind of hard to see in here in this lighting. I really like that. Now, before we put the beauty ring on it and everything, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and have a look. Cross our fingers that it works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it works. That is pretty. That's really pretty. The halo around it. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and do the bright lights on it real quick. Oh yeah, that thing's bright. Yeah, it's really bright. That is a beautiful light. Okay, I'm very pleased with this. If I can get the link, I'll put it in the description below for this. Right there. All right, there it is. I'll try to get some night riding on it tonight to get some video to show you how the pattern actually is, you know, where the cutoff and everything is at night. All right, if you got any questions, just drop them down in the comments down there. I'll try to answer what I can. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description where you can get this off.